Today we're making moussaka. Beautiful Greek dish. Clean them up for patates, slice them, chop them up for zucchini. Do the same with eggplants. On the gazi, put inside some Greek olive oil, and slowly we're frying everything. Zucchini, you only need 3 patates, but put 4, you're gonna eating some. In this one, little bit olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 1 minced garlic, add aside your minced meat, break them up, cook it till it's turning brown. Add aside 1 cup red wine, 800 grams tomatoes, 1 tablespoon salt, white pepper, little bit cinnamon, little bit nutmeg also, 2 teaspoons sugar, teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon Greek oregano, side 3 bay leaves, 1 bunch fresh parsley, chop him and put him inside also. Mix everything very good, turn him down the heat, leave him cooking 10 minutes. Turn him off, take him out the bay leaves, you have to change my singlet. 450 grams Greek cheese, grate him and put 250 the side. Get your dish, put your patates at the bottom, season with some salt, pepper, 1 handful the cheese. Put 1 layer your eggplants, put some more seasons and cheese. Now mix him up your zucchini and do again. 1 more time the eggplant, little bit more seasons and finish him your cheese. Put him your meat at the top, now spread him so it's nice and even. 150 grams butter, melt him, 1 cup flour, mix him up till it looks like this. Slowly add your milk, add inside a little bit nutmeg, crack him up to egg, add inside the yellow, add inside your cheese and mix him up till it's smooth and creamy. Now tip your sauce to top the meat, do your cross the top, put in the oven, 165 degrees Celsius. 40 minutes, she's golden brown. Now leave her relax a little bit. Cut her, take 1 piece. You see how nice she looking. She's bloody beautiful, mate.